Okay, kind of give you a little taste of Prachuap Khiri, and there's a giant beautiful boardwalk right there. There's mountains over there as well. This is the whole town going straight forward. Of course we could walk along this whole thing. It'd probably take us, I don't know, 45 minutes, I don't know, an hour to get over to those rocks, something like that. This is kind of where we're at. There's a tourist center right there, temple on the other side, and then this beautiful temple way at the top. It's like a monkey temple. There's monkeys everywhere. There's some ships in the water as well. And of course, this is me exploring Prachuap Khiri in Thailand. And let's keep on walking around. 2023, COVID is over and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're going to be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok, so stay tuned and check it all out. Okay, so every night they have a night market right in here, and of course today it's about 11 a.m. sorry, 11 in the morning, 12 maybe. So obviously they're not open right now, but there's some people around a little bit. We're gonna walk in a little bit and then I'm gonna walk into the city, and they got a nice stage right there, and I kind of like this red, so I definitely want to target that in a moment. There are people setting up here. Wow, it's pretty. What do you think about that? Looking for a thumbnail. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk away from the beach, and then this is where they're setting up the market. So I guess they set it up in the daytime, and then at nighttime it's in full bloom. And I got some nice artwork right here. Let's check that out. Just got the boardwalk right there. You got the monkey temple right there. That one is down that way. I should probably drive over there and give you a little taste of it. What we're gonna do next is just walk straight down this town, through the town a little bit. And we got a park right here, of course. And they're selling some food right to the right. And I'm gonna go straight towards that monument. There's a purple monument straight ahead. And we're gonna walk down that one and kind of capture whatever we can see along the way. So if we see beautiful plants like that, we'll capture it. And if we got some food that they're making over there, we can capture that as well. And then the ocean is in the background as well. And we're gonna keep on walking straight into that temple. I don't know which side to walk on. It's got a little bit of shade on this side, so kind of parking lot to the right. But yeah, that monument right there. So Prachuap Khiri, it's kind of a small city. I forget the population size. I think it's about 10,000 people, I think. Of course, there's some Thai flags in there. I should be a little bit careful because I don't know what they mean. Like, I don't know if I'm filming something that's government related or not. But our focus is that purple one, so I think I'm gonna just pop up near there. There we go, that's the monument that we want. So the catch now is to try to run across that street. And also you can see some of these same figures again. Trying to get across is gonna be a challenge. Okay. City Pillar Shrine. This is kind of cool. Again, we have same monument. We see got some really cool little ones too. Interesting. It's very symmetrical. And there's the ocean straight ahead. These kind of look towards the ocean, but they actually go on all four sides, so obviously some spirit protection. But they also have little tiny shrines too, right? And they also all have protection on all four sides. Beautiful. You also got some chickens. Very, very interesting. And there's a monkey temple way up there that overlooks all of Prachuap Khiri. Prachuap Khiri is a pretty cool little place. Wouldn't really have expected. So anyways, what we're gonna try to do is try to get out of here and try to find a space. So I guess I'll probably have to walk around. So I guess what we're gonna do is end our video, and there's a monkey temple way up there, and then this one, and we kind of started over at the ocean that also had these two. So that was cool that these were also over by the ocean. I guess maybe protection of spirits coming from afar, I guess, as well as ones that are nearby. Very interesting. Okay. Prachuap Khiri, Thailand. That's another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot, and we're going to be doing lots more Thailand, so keep on coming back and checking it all out. And I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them.